Good morning, good afternoon. So now I'm going to go through sustainable agriculture. Of course, this is grade 9. Sustainable agriculture. Read the information in FIG 5.1 below and answer the questions that follow. By the way, this is 2019. Okay, I will introduce there. 2019 grade 9 examination social sciences from Gauteng province. So we are going through question 5, which covers sustainable agriculture. Read information on question on FIG 5.1, 5A below and answer the questions that follow. So the first thing that we have, guys, is this information, which is a comparison of organic farming and conventional farming. Okay, organic outperforms conventional farming in years of drought. That's something to take note of. Organic farming system builds on social organic matter. Obviously, they have explained what organic farming is all about. Social organic matter, like your animal manure, your compost and all those things. That forms part of organic farming systems, okay? Organic farming system builds on social organic matter. Organic farming uses 45% less energy and is more efficient than conventional farming. Conventional farming produces 40% of more greenhouse gases, which means now when you compare now, you can see that conventional farming is contributing more to global warming as compared to organic farming. That's basically what this is all about, because you do a comparison of which one is more sustainable, which one is more environmental friendly. That's basically what you're talking about. Organic farming systems are more profitable. They are more profitable than conventional farming systems. So this is the information that we have. Then the questions that we have now, let's go through the questions now. Differentiate between organic and conventional farming. So here, when the question says differentiate, you're supposed to write the difference between your organic and conventional farming. You're supposed to write the difference. What is the difference between organic and conventional farming? So under conventional, it strives for, under organic, what it does is it uses less energy. I think we have talked about here that organic farming uses 45% less energy. So what does this do? It uses less energy. This is something that we already have from our information there. What else does it do? It builds soil organic matter. Builds soil organic matter. That's another thing that we can also write about. It builds soil organic matter. That's what organic farming system does. System, it strives on what? What does it strive on? It strives on sustainability, soil fertility, and biodiversity. So this is what differentiates organic from conventional. Let's look at conventional on the other hand. A system which includes the use of synthetic fertilizers, pesticides, herbicides, and other continual inputs. What else does it do? It produces more greenhouse gases. It actually produces more greenhouse gases. What else does it do? It also includes genetically modified organisms, the GMOs. It includes also the GMO. That's what conventional farm is all about. So now that we have highlighted the differences, we have differentiated the organic and conventional farming, we have actually talked about the differences in terms of our organic farming systems and conventional. Organic, we have said that it uses less energy. It builds on strong organic matter. What else? A system that thrives on sustainability, soil fertility, and biodiversity. Then on the other hand, conventional, what does it do? It actually uses genetically modified organisms, okay? It produces more greenhouse gases. It includes the use of synthetic chemical fertilizers, pesticides, herbicides, and other continual inputs. That is the difference between the two. Then you get your 4 marks. What else do you have? Which type of farming produces more greenhouse gases? Obviously, that is your conventional. It's said here that it produces more greenhouse gases. That is your conventional, okay? Give one example of a greenhouse gas. One example of a greenhouse gas, we have got methane. We have got methane. We have got carbon dioxide, okay? We also have water vapor, okay? This is what we have as our part of our greenhouse gases. Suggest why greenhouse gases are dangerous to the planet. Suggest why greenhouse gases are dangerous to the planet. Of course, why they are dangerous. We can actually include the trap heat from escaping into the outer atmosphere as a result of Earth becoming too hot. That is global warming. Global warming basically is the excessive emission of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, which results in high temperatures. So the carbon dioxide or the other gases that are exposed, they act as a blanket, which means they trap heat. They trap heat, which result in higher temperatures. That is what happened. This is what happened. They trap heat and resulting in higher temperatures. So that is sustainable agriculture for you, grade 9s. Thank you.